My name is Ninamarie Sapuppo, and I've been teaching math for 22 years. I have been enjoying working with the STEM kids this year especially because I've worked with 5 different kids this year, and I've really enjoyed working with them and using the 3D printer, learning how to use it. The students loved it because just even having that in the classroom when they heard stuff being made, I was like, okay, well, these are being made, we gotta, let's buckle down here. And it just really gave that extra motivation. And using the website was really easy. It was really easy to go. I just would search for the keyword. I could see all the different kits that came with it, and I would click on it and it would just show a picture of what was going to print. It would describe it in words. I thought it was going to be much more complicated. So at first I was nervous and, like anything new, but it was really pretty simple. I really enjoyed the lesson plans because it starts with some background, giving the kids the background information of where to start, what have they already learned, and then connecting what we're going to be doing through this activity. They force them to we're not just playing with toys here, which they seem like toys and they are really great, but they're useful. They're very useful tools. And then the questions force them to think about what they just did so they can go back and really make that connection. That's something that I really like about the STEM kids, is that it really helps to connect a variety of math, rather than just doing one little thing at a time and it's all disconnected. I like it to be connected because I feel like if you connect, then you're doing less, worksheet kind of things, but you're doing bigger. You're connecting everything together, so they're really going to be learning and they'll connecting from their science class. It brought out a lot of conversations, and they're like, oh, a lot of aha moments. And the questions are extensive and very thought-provoking. So I really liked that part of it. It really made them think. And so math and science together was really good because a lot of times they're in a science class doing math, but very rarely are they in a math class doing science. They get really excited about it. They're really motivated to focus, and especially the lower 25% who normally kind of just don't, looking all around, they're like, okay, I gotta get this. So that really has made a difference. Really, that connection and cross-curricular concepts really helped the students. I mean, it just allowed a lot of conversations about mathematics that they could relate back to that experience of working with the STEM kids. The previous year I used textbook, and I felt like the students get really caught up on the textbooks. They just don't connect with the ideas as well, and the retention is definitely not there. But with these, I can explain the basic ideas, the topics ahead of time, and then do the activity, and then the questions really draw out that understanding. So I don't need so much of that textbook, and I feel like they get a lot deeper understanding. They really understand a lot better what's going on mathematically. So when I ask them other questions later about other things, they're really answering at high level thought process, which really makes me excited. Their thought process is much deeper. Their retention is better. Students are by the end, they're like, oh, this is so much easier. I've done some other activities before, but this is more like the whole package. And I don't have to create the whole package myself. Really designed to draw out the understanding that relates to the standards, which is really, that's what we want, We want to make sure those standards are, that they understand them at the conceptual level, not just I can do that on a worksheet and not, just everything separate. But being able to see where does that fit in the world of math, science, how are they connected? So these STEM kits and their lesson plans, I think, are really useful. And they're, part of the future.